Ngivumele ngikhulume nawe namhlanje as you are starting your morning. You are stronger than your pain. Elokhuluma nawe namhlanje ngikukhumbuze ukuthi unamandla ukudlula lonke uhlobo lwenhlupheko nokudlula lonke uhlobo lwepain ongadlula kulona. You are created, you are wired in a manner that is stronger than any kind of pain. Noma ngabe hlobo luni lobhlungu buyokufikela, be reminded this morning that you are stronger than any other pain. uNkulunkulu kwesinye isikhathi uma ezozala into entsha kumuntu ukujwayele ukuthi avumele ipain imfikele bese kuzalwa izinto ezintsha. Uma uJosepha ezonikezwa iposition entsha ezophakanyiswa ezoelevate empilweni yakhe, uNkulunkulu wavumela ipain yafika empilweni yakhe, kanti le pain yayimfikela yayifikela ukuzozala izinto ezintsha. Uma bafowabo bemdayisa, uma bafowabo bemrejecta, kwakungathi kuyaphela ngaye, kwakungathi uyalahlwa, kanti uNkulunkulu allowed that pain for his redirection, efuna ukumisa endaweni uNkulunkulu afuna ukuba fike khona. Kwesinye isikhathi ama pains asifikelayo asifikela ukuba siye endaweni uNkulunkulu afuna siye kuyona. Ngakho you need to read and understand ukuthi le pain ekufikele izokwenzana empilweni yakho, ngoba yikho ipain ekufikelayo ukuzokuzwisa ubuhlungu bese kuphela kanjalo. Kodwa lonke uhlobo lwepain malifika lisuke line assignment elizoyenza empilweni yakho, ngoba uma ingekho into ipain ezoyenza empilweni yakho uNkulunkulu akayivumeli. uJoseph yafika ipain to redirect him ukuze ezokwazi ukufika eGibhithe. Yebo kwakubuhlungu abafowabo bemdayisa, yebo kwakubuhlungu eyisezweni kangalazi, kanti it was God working behind the scenes directing him ukuthi agcine ezoba iprime minister yaseGibhithe. As much as kwakubuhlungu, the process of becoming was painful, but ama result okwenziwa ayemnandi. Ngakho there is no pain that is stronger than you, and there is no pain efika ingenasizathu empilweni yakho. No Josepha yathi mayifika kanti imfikela ukuba ezomphakamisa imise endaweni engcono. No Ana wafikelwa ipain yokuthi akabathola abantwana, kanti wayinga understand ukuthi le pain eyafika kwakuyindawo to give birth to umntwana yemdinga, ngoba ngesikhathi enepain yokuthi akabathola abantwana lithi iBhayibheli she went to the Lord and she started praying earnestly. Waqala wathandaza ngendlela engajwayelekile. Ipain yakhe yaphenduka yaba yiplatform yokuthi uNkulunkulu amzalela impendulo yakhe, ngoba kuyenzeka kwesinye isikhathi impendulo yakho ilale kuyipain odlula kuyona. Ukuba kwakho kuyipain kuphenduke kube yiplatform kaNkulunkulu yokuthi azale impendulo oyidingayo. Ngakho you are stronger than your pain, and there is no pain efikayo ingenaso isizathu. Sikhona isizathu sepain odlula kuyona, and uNkulunkulu ngesikhathi esifanele he will reveal everything ukuthi kungani you had to go through that pain, but you are stronger than your pain. uDavide went through pain, but he was stronger than his pain. Wahlushwa, wazingelwa izilwane nasehlane, kodwa ipain yakhe ayidlanga imbulala, izange imqede. Ukunalokho yamenza wafuna uNkulunkulu more, yamenza walangazela uNkulunkulu kakhulu kunaqala, ngoba we are stronger than our pain. We are stronger than any rejection. We are stronger than any mistakes. We are stronger than any disappointments esingadlula kuona. Vuka namhlanje, as much as you are feeling pain in your soul, in your spirit, but you are stronger than that pain. You are stronger than that disappointment. You are stronger than that circumstance odlula kuyona. Vuka namhlanje, qhawe linamandla. Amazulu athembe wena, uNkulunkulu uthembe wena. uNkulunkulu uthemba ukuthi uwe ozokwenza ukuthile, ungavumeli ukuba ubuhlungu buqede ngawe. Ayimphumlani inkwanyana. You are blessed, you are favored, and you are set apart. Good morning, Mega Grace Nation.